po sa Psalm 127 verse 3 to 5. Children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from Him. Like arrows in the hand of a warrior are children born in one's youth. Blessed is the man whose quiver is full of them. Yung word po na ginamit dito ay heritage. It means it is an inheritance. Galing sa ating Panginoon. In other words, ang bata daw po ay does not ultimately belong to us, but he is a gift or they are a gift entrusted by God. So indeed, si Ezra at si Ensa po ay kaloob ng Diyos kay Ryan and kay Ensa.
Together with Mama and Daddy, let's all welcome Enzo and Ezra.
Si Enzo, ano siya
Enzo's the wild one, the one who takes chances, takes the risks.
jolly siya na bata, medyo may pagkaseloso kasi nga magkasunod sila na bata. Pero very kind siya sa kapatid niya na kapag inago na sa kanya ni Ezra, hinahayaan niya na lang. Tapos pumunta siya sa gilid, tapos dun siya magagalit.
And this guy, Ezra, he's the one who observes. And he's the calmer one, but he sees the perception. But he likes to watch his brother. He likes to watch his bigger brother. But who knows what he's gonna take from his older brother, right? He loves to smile, this guy. He's a smiling one. He smiles a lot more, huh? You're the smiley one, huh? Because you laugh at your brother a lot, huh?
For Enzo and Ezra, mga anak, wish ko sa inyong dalawa na I always pray to God na lumaki kayo na may takot sa Diyos.
This is the early stages of their lives. And I wish them nothing for the best for this year. Let them grow. Let them learn.
Lumaki kayong mahalin nyo ang isa't isa at yung privacy ng bawat isa, kung ano yung mga pipiliin ninyo sa buhay, igalang ninyo, mahalin nyo yung bawat isa. Kung sino yung mahal ng bawat isa, mamahalin nyo din bilang inyong pamilya sa pagdating ng panahon.
Watch and express themselves and they grow to become themselves. Wish them happy birthday to them. Love you from Mama and Dada.
Thankful ako sa Panginoon na binigay niya kayo sa amin bilang inyong mga magulang.
Thank everyone for being here today to celebrate Enzo and Ezra's birthday. This is your day, guys. Enjoy it today, guys.
I would like to thank our friends and family na very supportive, na ma-dedicate din silang both dito sa church kung saan ako nanggaling. And sobrang thankful sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa inyong pag-attend.
We did this for you. Happy birthday from Mama and Dada and from everyone here today. And thank you all for being here, guys, today. We enjoy the party.
Happy birthday, Enzo and Ezra. Sobrang happy si Mama and proud na kayo ng aking mga naging anak.
Enzo and Ezra, Mama and Dada, we love you. Happy birthday, both of you, okay? Love you, okay? Yeah.